To buy stocks in your Fidelity Roth IRA, you first need to log into your Fidelity account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing the necessary information and funding your Roth IRA. Make sure you have all the required documents handy to ensure a smooth account setup process. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade section. From there, select your Roth IRA account. You should see options for trading. Click on the Trade button, which will allow you to enter the details for your stock purchase. Input the ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy, choose the number of shares, and select the type of order you wish to place, such as a market order or limit order. Before finalizing your trade, review the details carefully. Check the total cost and any fees that may apply. It's important to ensure that you have enough funds in your Roth IRA to cover the purchase. Once everything looks good, confirm the trade. You will receive a confirmation notification once your order has been processed. After your purchase, you can track the performance of your stocks through the Fidelity platform. Regularly review your investments and consider rebalancing your portfolio as needed based on your financial goals. Remember that investing in stocks involves risks, so it is essential to do your research before making any decisions.